Dev.
Good morning.
This morning we just woke up and yeah, it's funny that I say good morning. That's a strange thing to say now that
It is a strange thing. We've been like up and awake.
We've been up and awake for hours.
2.5
Anyway,
hours.
good morning, Dev.
Morning.
I sort of wanted to say like I'm now recording. You know.
Yeah, that's a weird thing to say.
Yeah,
as well.
that's now. Yeah, because I didn't want you to. I don't know. You need to know that I'm recording you. Anyway, today we are off to the coast. Devin really wanted to go to the coast for a trip just before it gets too cold. Hey, babe.
Yeah, we want to go to the beach for like 2 years.
Yeah, forever. You're like, I want to go to the beach. I want to go to the beach. And I was like, okay, we're going to the beach. So I've planned a trip today. So we woke up pretty early this morning, 4. We got out at 4:30. We were supposed to get out at 4:30. We did get out a bit late, so I'm hoping we're not too late for our reservations and
You were
stuff
worried
today.
about the cat, so we had to go back.
I was worried about the cat. I was like, is it safe? You know, I don't know. Just had to check the door. Anyway, cat's good. Yeah, I worry a fair bit. So we're heading in this morning. So the plan for the day is we've got a reservation for brekkie, and then we're going to go for a swim after at the beach. And then for lunch, Dev, I have booked us a seafood cruise.
Oh, wow.
That's your excitement.
Yeah, that's my excitement. Yeah. It sounds great.
Yeah, sounds so great. It sounds so exciting. I'm excited. So that'll be it. And then we just come home. Just a day trip today, so it'll be a nice day, I think. Hey, Dev. Yeah, I'm a bit sleepy still. Haven't been up that long.
Sit there fast. It's so damn tiring.
Yeah, well, we've got to drive home still, though, so don't get too tired. Yep, okay. Gonna bring you guys along with me today. Just pulled up. Hey, Dev.
Yeah, I'm smelling the sea breeze.
Smelling the sea breeze. Took one wrong turn. Fair bit of yelling and swearing happening here. Hey, Dev.
Yeah, why didn't you record that?
Yeah, that was a bit rousey. Oh, you were yelling back, but I'm like, no, you should have gone left. And then he goes right, and then I'm like, should have gone left. But that was my fault because the GPS told me to go right when you should have gone left. So I told you to go. Anyway, we made it. So screamed out. Okay, let's go have some breakfast. What's that?
Was it the Marucci? Would it be the Marucci River? This is Alex speaking something, that's why it's saying something.
the sweetest. Just got home. Hey, Dev.
Yeah.
What a big day. It was so good. Did you have fun, Dev? Had a blast. Oh, yeah, what a big day. The seafood was so great on the cruise, wasn't it, Dev? We got like the extra couples platter. It was pretty good. It was really good, actually. It's a huge sort of platter of seafood. We devoured the whole thing. Then we got a coffee, and then we sort of headed home. Now Lily's here. Oh, smelling where I've been. All these smells. They're so happy to see us. Yeah, what a great day. So fantastic. Well, thanks for watching. We're just going to take it easy now, the Savi. We're going to go get the dogs, let the dogs run around. And we're going to just take it really nice and easy. Yeah, well, good day.